Hello Ali, how are you today? Salam Ali, nan sangayay.
I'm fine, thank you. Zakhayam, manana.
Did you wake up early today? Aya tanan waqti pasidalayay.
Yes, I woke up early. Ho, zawakti pasi dalewam.
What are your plans for today? Danan warze plan det saday.
I have some work to do today. Zanan yo sakarlaram.
Did you have breakfast? Aya tanari kade.
Yes, I already had breakfast. Ho, malawran dinare kade.
How was your night? Terashpert sangawa.
My night was good. Zamash pachaterashwa.
Are you going to work today? Aya tanan kartazay.
Yes, I am going to work. Ho, zakartazam.
When will you come back home? Takala kortoraze.
I will come back around 6 p.m. Zashal khwash pagubajurazam.
Do you need anything? Aya takum sheita artyalare.
No, I don't need anything. Na, zahitsta artyana laram.
Should I make tea for you? Zachai darte jodkadam.
Yes, please make tea. Ho, mirbani wakda chai jodkada.
Did you check your messages? Aya takhpal paygamuna qatal.
Yes, I checked all of them. Oho, ma tol pegamuna katali.
Are you feeling tired? Aya tis tadaye.
Yes, I am a little tired. Oho, zaligstarayam.
Do you want to go for a walk? Aya ta qadam wahalo tazay.
Yes, we can go for a walk. Oho, mung qadam wahala ishu.
What time is your meeting? Sta gonda patsur bajoda.
My meeting is at 3 p.m. Zama gonda padriyo bajoda.
Can you help me with something? Aya ta payu kar ke rasara marsta kavela shay.
Sure, tell me what you need. Bilkul, ratahu aya sata artyalare.
Did you call your friend? Aya takhpal margare te zangwaha.
Yes, I called him. Ho, ma haga tazanguwaha.
When will we eat lunch? Mung da garme dudai kala khoru.
We will eat lunch at 2 p.m. Mung 2 baje dude khuru.
Do you like this idea? Aya da nazar dar khwakh day?
Yes, I like this idea. Ho, da nazar rata khokhte.
Where are you going now? The os cherte zay.
I am going to the market. Z bazar tazam.
Are you free this evening? Aya tanan maham farig yay?
Yes, I am free this evening. Ho, zanan ma sham farighyam.
What do you want to do tonight? Tanan shpert se kawal hwadai.
I want to watch a movie. Z yo film katalwaram.